Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel Divine here. Today I'm making just a very simple video. I'm just doing on calculations. So I want to just show you how to calculate its alligation method where you tie two concentrations together. In this case we're looking at it from the context of dilution. So alligation, basically I want you to understand that sometimes they assume you are a nurse or you're a pharmacist working somewhere, and then in your pharmacy you have got dextrose, 50% dextrose, and then you have got also normal saccharine, of course, and then you want to make it DNS. Okay, you want to make dextrose normal saccharine 5% in this case. Of course, there are different percentages of DNS, which is known as dextrose normal saccharine. So in this case, this is called alligation method. You want to tie together two solutions and reducing either, but in this case, we're talking about reducing the concentration. So if you want to prepare the 5% DNS and you don't have that, and if the doctor ordered 5% DNS, and then what you have, of course, in stock as a nurse, you have 50% dextrose. You could so this is just an example. You could have other different concentrations. You could have 10% dextrose. You could have many things. So in this case, of course, how do you go about this method? It's very simple. So what you do basically, you have to go with a simple method I'm showing you here. Just make this simple diagram like this. Okay, so let me just do it properly so that you see it like this. You won't be able to understand well. Okay, so this is how you do it. So you see this diagram has got six boxes, and what you do basically here is that what you want to make has to go on the center. So in this case, what I want to make a concentration of 5%. So I'm going to put 5% here at the center here. Well, that's what I'm making here. Okay. So what you have, of course, has to be on the left side. My left side, of course, in this case, this side of my equation. So what I have in stock in this case, I'm having what 50%, and also I have what's called normal saccharine. So the highest concentration has to be on top. So in this case, 50% of course is the highest concentration, has to be on top here. And then here, of course, normal saccharine, of course, I'll put a 0 here. Why? Why I'm putting 0 is because in this case it has got 0 sugar concentration. So I want something that has got 5% sugar concentration. But in this case, normal saccharine, of course, doesn't have sugars. That's why we put 0 here. Then in that case, the next thing you do here basically is to do cross subtraction here. Case. So it says 0. So 5 minus 0, you're just going to put your 5 here. 50 minus 5 is 45 here. So this is the ratio. What does that mean? So this is simply 4 to 45 ratio. Then reduce this 4 here, 5 here, 1, 5 here, of course, is 9. So this is same as 1 to 9 ratio. What does that mean? What it means here that for every 1 part of 50% dextrose, you have to mix with 9 parts of normal saccharine to come up with a 5% concentration of dextrose normal saccharine. That's what it means here. I'll say it again. What this means, this ratio here, it means that for every 1 part of 50% dextrose, you have to mix with 9 parts of normal saccharine in order to come up with a concentration or solution that, of course, has the concentration of 5%. So in this, for example, this is what it means here. Now, to make it things more easier again here is that, assuming, let's say you want to make 500 mils. Let's say you are in this, maybe the doctor ordered, let's say 1 liter or maybe 100 mils of what you call of 5% dextrose DNS. Okay, what is what the doctor ordered. So what you're gonna do here now? What you do basically here is that you're gonna use this same ratio here. So this is of course a ratio, and the ratio of course you add 1 plus 9 comes with what you call 10. The total rate of course of the sum here part is equal to 10. So how do you go about it? You're gonna do like this. You're gonna do 1 over 10 times 500, of course, and then again you put here again, of course, that one of course is 9 here, so this is another one, 9 over 10 times 500, so mils. So what do we have here? So if I multiply 1 over 10 times 500, of course, I'm going to just cancel there, it gives me how many? 50. And remember this one here represents what? 50% dextrose. Of course, you see 1 on top here. So 50% is the 1 here. So this is 1 to 9 ratio, as I use the ratios here. So 1 part, 9 parts of this one. So this same thing, what it means that if I want to make a 500 mils of DNS 5%, I need 50 mils of 50% dextrose mixed together with 450 mils of DNA of normal saline. So I'm gonna do 50 mils of 50% dextrose mixed with 450 mils of actually normal saline. Then this, I've made a concentration, I've made 5% DNS. So this is how you go about alligation method. In case you're in the words or you don't know how to go about this concentration, this is how you go about it. It's a very easy calculation. If you have got questions, just leave your comments below and respond to you. Have a good day. God bless you. Thank you.